Hi everyone! This video is overview for the best face cover from SCARVES. With pandemics we have to stay safe and sometimes we need to cover our face. If we don't have a mask, we can use scarves. I'll show you a few best ways how you can do it yourself, and these 3 ways works great for women and for men. The best fabric for a face cover scarf is a cotton. And at the end of this video, I'll show how you can do a scarf yourself at home. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. To keep the morals up, I will use my brightest silk scarf, but as you know already, the best fabric for a face scarf is a cotton. For the first style, I'm going to use this bright red Pegasus de Hermes. I cover the head with a scarf, folded as a triangle. Cover the front by making 2 folds on the sides, just like this. Take one end and place it under the chin, like this, and form a face cover with another end. I like to make a few twists here. Tie the ends on the top of the head. You can easily adjust it. Because of the oblique thread direction, the face cover is very comfortable. And by the way, this style called zanuzdalka, and you may know it from this video. And you can easily remove it without touching your face. For the second style, I use the same size scarf. It's a Couleur Masala Hermes. And I place it over the head. Tie the ends behind, just like this. Bring the back fabric forward. Take one of the ends like this and form a mask. And again, the oblique thread direction makes it very comfortable to wear. Twist one end. Twist another end. And tie it on the top of the head. I fight any viruses that I met. Yeah! You can easily remove it without touching your face. Just like this. For the third style, we need a rectangular scarf. I have this nice cotton linen scarf. I don't have bright scarf, but this size is perfect. We fold the scarf like this. Cover the head and tie a knot behind. One end is short, another is long. The very important thing is the position of the knot. It should be at the level of your ear. If you put it lower, the face mask will fall down easily, and you will have to adjust it all the time. We take the long end like this, fold it once for 2 layers or twice for 4 layers of fabric, and tie it behind. It's easy, right? If you like scarves, I will leave a few links in the description for some nice silk scarf and the cotton scarf we are going to make ourselves. If you don't have a measuring tape, you can use your elbow as a measure. 35 inches, it's approximately 2 elbows. 70 inches is 4 elbows, and 30 inches is 1 2/3 of elbows. To make a cotton scarf at home, you need an all cotton sheet, and the best is Egyptian cotton. You make a little cut perpendicular to the thread and tear the fabric. You will get this kind of hands. You may want to take off some more threads. Measure, cut and tear the fabric until you have a perfect square or rectangle. For more scarf ideas, remember to subscribe. So now you have a few ideas about face cover scarf. If you like it, check those videos. It can be useful for you too, because there is a many way how you can wear your scarf as a mask, but this video was the most practical, in my opinion, for men and for women. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, be safe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!